Jai Mata, it is almost impossible to communicate the bhava of a song through another language, that to a foreign language like English. But I make an attempt praying for her grace and to make it more nearer to the real bhava. The poet, the composer, Vidwan Venkatanachar, says about what he beheld in Shaktinagar in the immediate divine presence of Divine Mother in this song. Shaktinagadalondu Surya Prabheya Kande Mukti Margada Dari Deepavane Kande. The whole song describes Mother as divine light, guide and redeemer, that is the grantor of mukti. He might have beheld the divine light, that is the aura. He had many spiritual experiences and visions of Mother's darshan after initiation. He had many visions and experiences after Mother's darshan and initiation, which he communicated through many songs that he composed on Divine Mother by her grace. He revealed to us only few of his experiences. But I had heard about the experience of a senior ardent devotee of Mother who had had the darshan of divine yellowish aura, that is light, right behind the Divine Mother when she was seated on the sofa of the rostrum in Shaktinagar, giving the darshan to the devotees. The sudden vision of the brilliant light took the devotee by pleasant surprise. Not believing his own eyes and thinking this to be an optical illusion, he rubbed his eyes again and again, but the divine light, that is called Ojas in Sanskrit, behind Mother was a reality. The light was there for a few minutes and then vanished. The devotee, after this darshan, was dumbfounded, experiencing a supreme joy within himself. The presence of an avatar in an upadhi is divinely uplifting, purifying, and blissful. The devotees are blessed for having beheld the glories of Saguna Brahman during her sojourn here in her divine upadhi as an avatar. So now I try to translate the poem, the import of the poem, Shaktinagadalondu Surya Prabheya Kande, which is tuned to Khanda Chaputala in Rag Ahir Bhairav, also called as Chakravaka in Carnatic system. The poet says that I beheld the radiance of the sun in Shaktinagar. I beheld the beacon light which illumines the path to liberation of the souls, that is the mukti. So, number one stanza, that is number one charana. I beheld the knower of Bhakti Yoga, known as Ramamani. I beheld her with effulgence of rare jewel, that is rare jewel stone, that is Ratna. Second charana. I saw there in Shaktinagar devotees singing in unrestricted, whether I can use in abandon, unrestricted voice, singing and worshipping her. I saw the lover of music, that is the great Devi, who is the divine light, who is known as Ganalole. This Ganalole is the lover of music. This is also the pen name of the composer. The third charana, he says, There in Shaktinagar, the sufferings due to birth and death were not present at all, even in the slightest form. ಜನನ ಮರಣದ ಬಾಧೆ ಎಳ್ಳಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. So worship her in your own heart. Worship the great Devi who is here as Rama Shakti here in Shaktinagar. So this is the song. Actually, it is as I will describe while translating the other poems, it was a divine experience and a blissful experience when we were in the presence of the great Divine Mother. And the security, the warmth, and the love that we experienced in her divine presence are indescribable. Everybody, however high or great he may be in the society, he may be a professor, he might have been a vice chancellor, he might have been a great Supreme Court lawyer, he might have been whatever it is, he held a very high position, esteemed position in society. When he comes to the orbit of Divine Mother's presence, he became a child. This I saw. This I saw in so many devotees. They were just behaving like a child in front of Divine Mother, forgetting all their social status or esteemed positions that they would have held in their life. This is a wonderful, experience where you can feel only when you come to the orbit of Divine Mother's presence. An avatar wields a peculiar attraction on devotees which cannot be described. It is a divine attraction. Even now we can feel the divine presence in Shaktinagar, the bliss, the joy, but we have to tune ourselves to her. She is ever present in Shaktinagar. She is there standing eternally with Abhaya and Varada Hasta, blessing all, beckoning all devotees and assuring them the mukti. But we have to go there, do our sadhana and become recipients of her grace and tune ourselves. That is very important.
ಶಕ್ತಿನಗರದಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭೆಯುಂಡು ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದ ದಾರಿ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಕಂಡೆ. ಶಕ್ತಿನಗರದಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭೆಯ ಕಂಡೆ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದ ದಾರಿ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಕಂಡೆ. ಭಕ್ತಿಯೋಗದ ಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಶ್ರೀರಮಾಮಣಿಯಂಬ ಭಕ್ತಿಯೋಗದ ಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಶ್ರೀರಮಾಮಣಿಯಂಬ ರತ್ನದ ಪ್ರಭೆಯ ಕಂಡೆ ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ರತ್ನದ ಪ್ರಭೆಯ ಕಂಡೆ ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ. ಶಕ್ತಿನಗರದೊಂದು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭೆಯ ಕಂಡೆ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದ ದಾರಿ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಕಂಡೆ. ಮುಕ್ತ ಕಂಠದಿ ಭಜಿಪ ಭಕ್ತರನು ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ಮುಕ್ತ ಕಂಠದಿ ಭಜಿಪ ಭಕ್ತರನು ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ಗಾನಲೋಲೆ ಎಂಬ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನು ಕಂಡೆ ಗಾನಲೋಲೆ ಎಂಬ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನು ಕಂಡೆ ಶಕ್ತಿನಗರದೊಂದು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭಯ ಕಂಡೆ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದ ದಾರಿ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಕಂಡೆ ಮರಣದ ಬಾಧೆ ಎಳ್ಳಷ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲ ಜನನ ಮರಣದ ಬಾಧೆ ಎಳ್ಳಷ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತರಂಗದಿ ಭಜಿಸು ಶ್ರೀರಮಾಶಕ್ತಿಯನು ಅಂತರಂಗದಿ ಭಜಿಸು ಶ್ರೀರಮಾಶಕ್ತಿಯನು ಶಕ್ತಿನಗರದೊಂದು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಪ್ರಭಯ ಕಂಡೆ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದ ದಾರಿ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಕಂಡೆ